Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I made my nails go from this to this, stay tuned.
What are you looking at? Instead, money can't buy superpower. Later, losers.
First, I'll be showing you on my thumb using the Kiss Salon Dip Professional Dipping System. It costs about $11.97 at Walmart. On my index finger, I'll be using the ASP Quick Dip Kit from Sally's for $17.29. This is everything that comes with the Kiss kit. First, you find the nail that fits from edge to edge. Next, you're just going to use the brush-on gel glue and press it onto your nail to make sure that it stays. I usually pinch it for a few seconds and it's perfect. Next, you're going to take your nail to the desired length. I used to go side to side and then I turn and twist and pull the tip off. And then file to the desired shape that you want. It doesn't have to be perfect in its dip. Then just simply pour the powder into the dipping basin. Again, we're going to use the brush-on gel glue and we're going to put an even coat across our nail. Then just simply dip your finger into the powder. Tap and wipe the excess powder off with a sponge. It always has this bump that I usually don't like and it's not that thick, so I just go over it again, doing the same step over again until I get it as thick and as flat as I want it. Now that it's closer to what I want, the thickness, and the bump is gone, I'm going to use the activator to activate it. Afterwards, I just simply file, get rid of all the ridges and the bumps, and make it the perfect shape. Now I'm going to show you using the ASP kit. This is everything that comes with it. Again, just repeat the step, find the nail that fits, put the glue into the well, press it on your nail and pinch it, and hold it down. Repeating the step again, cut the nail down to the size you want, cut side to side, twist the piece off, and file to the desired length, and also the shape. It's similar to the Kiss kit, just use the glue, apply it evenly, then dip it into the jar. Tap away the excess powder and then spray the activator. It's pretty close to how I like it, but if it's not to you, I usually go over it again until it's perfect. With this kit, it's usually a lot more leveled, so you really don't have to file on top. I usually just file the sides back into the perfect shape that I want. This is a side-by-side comparison, and I'll put on the screen the different things that I like about each kit. I just went ahead and finished the rest of my nails off camera, and now we're going to paint. I put 2 coats of the paint. Now you're going to take the French tip pen and shake it up. Then you're going to press it down until the paint comes down. Once the paint comes down, you're just going to draw the lines on the edge of your nail. Just keep going over it slowly until you get the desired lines that you want, like so. Repeat for the rest of your nails, and then you're done. And apply the top coat. And this is what I end up doing. Close to the picture that I was going for, but I switched it up just a little bit. I hope you liked the video. Comment down below what you think, and don't forget to comment and subscribe. Bye.